Sabi mo sa ayo-ayo.
My name is Tomo. Yeah, of course, this is my business, and just gamari is also my hobby. I really want to build everything myself. This is my passion.
This is your passion.
Yes.
What specific area of the business is your passion?
I also doing construction business, furniture also.
You're Japanese, of course. When did you move into Cebu?
Actually, it was a long time ago. 7 years ago, 2013.
2013.
Yeah, I came here as a English student.
So just a tourist.
Oh.
No plans yet of doing business here.
Actually, I was planning to traveling around the world. And first step, I chose the Philippines to learn English. And I thought learning the English is not so difficult. Probably I need just 3 to 6 months. But this place holding me already 7 years.
Yeah, so what made you decide to stay?
Because too comfortable here.
Too comfortable.
Staying here and people, food, everything is really fitting me.
Do you still go back to Japan though, time to time?
Right now it's so difficult because of the pandemic situation, but probably after the pandemic, sometimes I'm going to back to Japan and visiting here, but mostly I'm staying here.
Where in Japan if it's okay?
My hometown is Hyogo Prefecture, which is near
Shohoku?
Hyogo,
Shohoku?
which is near Osaka.
It's near Osaka.
And famous city is Kobe.
So you don't have your family here?
Yes.
You're alone?
Yes.
You treat the people here as your family then?
Yeah, my employees is really my family because I just know them.
When did you start this business?
3 years ago, 2017.
2017. How did you find the place? Like, why did you choose this place?
Okay, this kind of setup is really familiar in Japan. Find an old house and renovation ourselves and do it small businesses. Yeah, that's why when I starting to find some of the place, I'm really looking for something old. Yeah, because it has a lot of memories, histories, and I cannot buy from the money the old items, right?
So, why did you decide to sell food?
Actually, all the food this is simply what I like, what I want to eat every day.
Yeah, I think Aliat mentioned that the food served here are something related to your childhood memory.
Yes. Actually, all the menu.
Everything is a menu. Okay.
And all the recipes coming from my mom.
I see.
Yes.
But do you cook all of those as well? Have you cooked them?
Yeah. I'm the one who teaching my Filipino cook.
So you're the one training them. I see.
We really want to build everything by ourselves, and especially furniture. Like all the cafe looks almost same here in Cebu.
True. The chairs, the tables are almost the same.
Right? I really don't like it because cafe should be something unique, something different, and cafe owner should be talk more what they like. And I didn't want to build all the furniture myself.
All of these.
Yes, and especially we are focusing the wood for the furniture.
So you choose the wood, you design them. Where do you get the materials? Just here in the Philippines?
Yeah, local.
Cebu?
Cebu. But all the wood is maybe coming from the outside of country.
But Aliat shared that you have a factory nearby.
Yeah, in front of our place.
Do you still have time to show us the place?
Okay. Let's go.
How are the Filipinos or Cebuanos accepting your kind of design so far? Have you promoted it?
Actually, no yet.
Not yet.
Are you getting good
I think we're the first one to promote it.
Yes. Actually, right now I'm not really focusing the market and people. I just build what I want.
Because it's your passion.
Yes.
We actually love the design and how comfortable it is to sit
Oh,
on.
thank you very much.
So it really is a lovely chair.
How much is a set of something like this one? Do you have a price
Actually,
already?
No yet. Price is also not yet.
Ah, you don't have price yet.
Yes. The first I need to check the cost
I see.
and need to prepare. And hopefully, I really want to build something with the customer together.
So you will plan with the customer?
If someone curious to buy our furniture, we planning to make the design together. And I also want to build together. Maybe small items, just with a nail or just try to paint, something like this. Yeah.
So it has better meaning when you're creating it together,
Yes.
right? Yeah. I'd love that. So we're actually curious as to how much it is because we might
buy.
we might buy it for our set at home, for our vlogs.
Yeah.
This
So
sit-on is so comfortable. I was surprised
Wow.
because when I saw it first, I thought that when I sit down, it will be, the usual uncomfortable and, hard seat. But
Yeah.
amazingly, when I sat down, I even told her, Mama, come here, sit down. It's so comfortable. It's amazing. I mean, you wouldn't expect it to be this comfortable, knowing it doesn't even have a cushion,
Yeah.
and then it's made of wood, and it's hard. But guys, when you sit down on these chairs, like these chairs, amazingly, it's so nice. And the height is just perfect,
yeah.
right? It's not so low. I thought it was too low, but actually it's not so low. It just makes your body like really
Comfortable, very
comfortable and balanced. So what a beautiful work you have here.
Thank you
So
much.
we hope that once your prizes are
Yeah.
available, we can help you promote it because we really love everything that you make with your hands. So,
It's gonna be a big help. It's gonna be a big help.
yeah, of
You
course,
Sure.
no problem.
It's easy for us to help and promote when we believe in the product.
Yes. So,
And yeah.
we'd love to see your factory if it's okay.
Oh, by the way, so your
Yeah.
factory, why you have the factory is for this house first. Yeah. Because it's not selling pa man.
Not yet.
Yes.
So you just have the factory so that you can build the things that you like for your place.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright.
It's sad that you're in a hurry, but we'd love to see your factory now. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. You studied architecture.
Actually, I'm not learn anything from this school. I just learning from experiences.
Wow. So no university studies really, just plain experience. Wow,
Yeah.
that's great.
I
So-
just learn IT in my school, and
IT.
yeah, IT. It's
This
so
is your
different.
passion.
Yeah, this is my passion.
You
And-
have a gifted hand to craft and create.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, right now, my Japanese partner.
Partner.
I have one Japanese partner, and he's really helped me a lot. And he spent more than 15 years as a carpenter in Japan. And all the techniques he knows already. And I just learn from him how to do it.
So you create a lot of stuff here, like chairs,
Yes.
everything that you have in your cafe
Yeah.
was made here.
Yeah.
Wow. So perhaps one day let us know if we can ask you to create
That one, no?
a chilling chair for us at home. And we'd love to also help you create the chair.
Yeah, yeah.
So let us know. So please do invite our friends, May, for the. Okay, so please do invite our friends to visit you here at
Please.
Ayu.
Yes, please. And probably the first you can try this one,
Okay.
the pot.
Oh,
It's the
wow.
simplest one. You can try how
You will
to
help us
carve. Yes,
create
of
one?
course.
Yeah, we love plants.
Ah, okay.
That would be much appreciated.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe we'll come back. We're coming back definitely for the sauna. So
Okay.
perhaps that day you will have more time to teach us. All right. So please
Very
invite
nice.
our viewers to come and
Okay.
visit. Yes, please.
Yeah, here's in Guadalupe, Ayoyo Cafe. In Guadalupe.
Guadalupe.
Yeah, Ayoyo Cafe. We are waiting you. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.